It's a good opportunity for key engineers to move to automated key engineers. Sometimes key engineers don't like repetitive tasks they do, and automation helps them to do it once and then just monitor these tests and do not have this, monkey job.
My daily routine looks like communication with my key engineers. Also, I'm responsible for measuring quality and report it to the team and to the customer. I'm suggesting improvements and designing these improvements to the system which we are working on. And also I'm ensuring compliance with industry's best practices, our company processes.
When I joined Syberry, I really noticed that people here are helpful. It was in everything, starting from giving you a real feedback about your work, to how to make this task faster, which tools to use. Any question that you have, you always can find people who can answer these questions. Or maybe not people, but DaVinci requests that we have that can also transfer the appropriate question to the relevant people.
Every 3 months I have a meeting with my resource manager where we discussed what my priorities, what I want to do, in which way I want to develop, and also my resource manager knows what the company wants, what's their goals, and we trying to match our desires and find the most useful way of the development. For some candidates, Syberry will not suit because in our company is, I guess, a more high pace of work than in mostly companies, and someone won't work in this pace like we work. Also, we have time tracking, and it can be challenging also for some candidates.
I always know that company works on processes improvements. Yeah, and if there is something, I can share my thoughts, and they will be listened by someone.
I'm looking for a healthy environment, firstly in a company, and Syberry fulfills this my desire because there is an open communication in company, and I receive regularly feedback, even it's negative, and I really appreciate of this opportunity.
The most exciting thing about my job is to work with people who do unimaginable things every day, and it's a great opportunity to share experience with each other in everyday basis.